Thanks for inviting us in tonight at 11. COVID transmission is getting worse across Indiana. And tonight, all eyes are on state and local leaders to see if a mask mandate is on the way. So for tonight's big story, we want to examine the spread of COVID-19 across Indiana. We've got the latest recommendations for our state, and we'll tell you how Hoosiers are responding.
With COVID transmission numbers up across the state, all of Indiana now falling under that CDC guidance to mask up indoors, even if you're vaccinated.
All of the state's 92 counties are now either red or orange, according to this map from the CDC, meaning substantial or high transmissions in the last 7 days. Even so, Governor Holcomb says he's leaving it up to local government, schools, and businesses to decide if masks are required indoors.
Then that confuses patrons of different businesses thinking, oh, well, I didn't have to wear a mask in this store. Why do I need to wear a mask in this store? So I think if masks are going to be required, a full statewide mandate would probably just clear up confusion for a lot of people.
I think that if the numbers continue to go up, there's not going to be anything he's going to be able to do but to go back on his word.
When it comes to masks in schools, Indiana is among a majority of states leaving decisions up to local health leaders. But a couple of our neighbors, like Kentucky and Illinois, do have requirements in place. Then on the other side of the spectrum, you've got states that have banned schools from requiring them.
People feel very differently about whether masks work or whether it should be left up to a person to make their own decision for their safety or for the government to decide for them.
Elizabeth Debelak is a teacher in Illinois visiting Indy with her family. She's concerned about rising cases.
It is concerning considering I have two small children who can't get vaccinated.
Even after getting the vaccine, these two women continue to wear masks.
In my family, we have a lot of immunocompromised people, so I am doing what I can to keep them safe.
Hoping more people will continue to get vaccinated.
It doesn't prevent you from getting it, but if you get it, it makes you less likely to get very severely ill.
Everyone we talk to hopes if numbers continue to rise, there won't be another shutdown.
It seems like it's coming if we don't all do something.
Let's take a closer look at the COVID transmission across the state of Indiana. Today, our state reported more than 2,000 new COVID cases for the third time in a week. That's the highest number that we've seen in months. And our 7-day average positivity rate is 9.2%. Remember, the goal here is to be below 5%. And keep in mind, we're not just seeing mild COVID cases. Hospitalizations have also been climbing. We have more than 1,300 Hoosiers in the hospital right now with COVID across Indiana.